Hello, viewers. Dr. Shubhagoto here. Hope you are doing well. I'm also doing good. So today I brought a projection of number of cases, COVID cases in India for the month of June. As I told you that I'm a medical doctor, but I also practice data science. So I love data, playing with data, data modeling, and then analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. So here also I was waiting for little data to get generated in India, because January, February, March there is almost no data. So February onwards we got some data and I started this modeling. So this model has been developed in the platform of Python 3.6, and the notebook used is Python 3. Okay, my system is a Windows 10, 64-bit, 2.8 gigahertz. So it gave a good result, a fast result in my laptop. Um, so this model I named as Khoj. Khoj means searching for the truth. So my model searches truth in the data. Okay. Uh, so now I am showing you the projected scores. So as you can see that the predictive model has predicted for June maximum around 7 lakhs cases, that is displayed in the red bar. Now, if you go through my earlier videos where I emphasized on practicing hygiene, social distancing, and containment, that is, not to get out of the home unless it is very necessary. And this is applied especially for persons having age less than 10 years and above 60 years with or without comorbidity. Okay. Now, if you can see that beside the red bar is a green bar, and this green bar denotes June data if we use all three buffers. So, who are the buffers? As you can see that H is hygiene, SD social distancing, and SC is a successful containment. So, these are the three buffers I have taken. So, if we use during unlock period all the buffers, we can bring down the cases up to 60%. Okay. Now, if we use social containment successfully, the cases can be brought down by 25%, then 15%, sorry, and then 25% can be brought down by social distancing, that is keeping the distance more than 3 feet or 1 meter. And if we practice hygiene, this number, which is like projected to 7 lakhs, can be brought down by 20% if we practice hygiene, that is hand wash and hand sanitization. Okay. And this model is quite sensitive to data, and whatever it is showing, you can see that the projected value for June, the number of cases, will vary from around 5 lakhs to 7 lakhs. So any value that falls in between, that signifies that the model is a good fit and giving a good result. Any value close to 5 lakh or any value close to 7 lakh also makes a lot of sense with this small amount of data. We have only data from February, very less, then March little more, April actually we got some data, and May. So only 2 months data, right? It's a month on month analysis. So because of lack of data, the model is giving a big bell-shaped curve with little skewness that we can expect from the actual result of June. So you saw the projection, right? And the projection is not very scary, I'm telling you. It is not very scary, so don't take it like the something written on the stone. It's a predicted model, so there will be skewness. Okay, like every model has, my model will also have, but my model has a little wider bell shape. Okay, so it is able to accommodate any actual value that is predicted for June. Okay, now the most important thing is not to project the data, the value for June. The objective of this video is again to emphasize on three buffers that I discussed in my earlier videos. One is hand wash, number two, hand wash followed by sanitizers, right? And this is your friend. Okay, wearing mask, social distancing more than 3 feet. Okay, and containment, that means anyone, as I told earlier, anyone below 10 years old and above 60 with or without comorbidity should not go out of house. Okay, unlock phase, we all know that life and livelihood has to go parallelly. So unlock phase has started for India. A lot of things are being opened, but this is this app, your principal logic, your common sense, how to use unlock responsibly, being aware of what is happening around you. Okay, unlock doesn't mean that the virus has left us. We are very much with the virus. Maybe the potency of the virus has come down, but the virus is still there. So, my dear friends, please remember it and act responsibly. Okay? So, I leave now. Take care and be happy, safe.